As the sun was rising on the 4th of April.
Good morning, warriors. We're here in Moore River limestone. Is it because there's a lot of limestone here?
There's a quarry just over the back. That's
Okay.
we're not in the pond.
Guys, have a look. It seems like we're going to the mountain or a hill, but we're basically going to an ocean or river, because there's part there which is a river. Look at this. We're here in what place is this? Guilderton, guys. Ito guys, madala akong pampalo ng langaw kasi ang daming langaw. And this is the view.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me,
So like your hand
hypnotized
when you go there.
by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies. I'll be
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yes. Look at this, guys. So pretty.
only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move.
So basically, guys, that's the river down there, and that's before you said that this is a lot of water. Continue flowing, is it?
Yeah, once upon a time when we used to have rain in WA, towards in the middle, towards the end of winter, that'd break through to the ocean, and there'd be a little, outflow into the ocean, just like normal rivers do.
Mm.
But since the rainfall's fallen away drastically since about the 1970s, it's like this most of the time. So during a heavy rainy, you know, like if we have a rainy week like we did during winter, there'd be a little bit of a stream
Overflowing
running
water.
through, but not much.
Look at the water, it's very inviting. It's very inviting to go for a swim, but we're not ready.
We'll come back up here and look back towards the town, and then we'll go down to the beach.
But we're not ready for a swim. Hi, honey.
Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Guys, look at that rock formation. And there's a lot of flies. And someone died here, guys, because I saw a cross here. Someone died here.
You've got the shoes on.
Yeah. Excuse me. Look at this, guys. Excuse me.
Sorry.
It's Lisa Jane Wood.
Yeah.
Died 2014.